Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Coptacar Unboxing. Today I am unboxing brand new RC car. This car is very cheapest and very powerful and very speed. This car is very awesome and look like good awesome, and as this price is very cheapest and this price reasonable price for this budget RC car. This car is very powerful and very cool. And now I am unboxing the brand new RC car. I am unboxed the cover and nozzles locks, and this time is now will be car checking. Now you will be watch this car and insert these batteries, three batteries insert, and now I'm insert these batteries. Now will batteries insert, and now we will time is start. This car is on, and battery and remote battery insert, two cells insert in remote. Now will be start. This time is now will be run to RC car. This car is very powerful. Now you will watch and please subscribe my YouTube channel and like, subscribe, share. Now you will be another content. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye. Thanks.